Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about the 10 essential terms that every Google ad user should know. Either you are a beginner or a small business owner who is running their ad by themselves, or even if the agency is working on behalf of you, you should know these terms, because knowing these terms you can better understand your Google ads and you can better understand what sort of metric you need to keep an eye on it, so that way you can ask a question or you can manage your Google ad account better. So let's find out what those terms are. So the very first thing is your account, your Google ad account that sits on the top level. Let's say if you have a Gmail account, you can make your Google ad account with the help of your Gmail account. In your account, all of your campaign, your ad group, your keywords, all of your payment settings and everything sits on the top level in your account. So this is the first thing you need to know. So if someone is talking about your Google ad account, it is your account where everything related to your Google ads sits in. So this is the first thing. Okay, the second most important term is a campaign. Campaign is a made from ad groups, then your ads, then your keywords, your budget and all other setting involved in the campaign. Every campaign has to have a different goal. You can't have a two objective in one campaign. So let's say for example, if your objective is to run a brand awareness, then that brand awareness campaign should be different than your sales campaign, like for if you're running for a conversion. So there can be so many different type of campaign, like a search campaign, performance max campaign, display campaign, shopping campaign, video campaign, smart campaign, discovery campaign. So these are all of the type of that campaign which Google offer us, so you can use according to the need. The third most important term is a ad group. Ad group lives inside the campaign. So every ad group have a different type of a theme of keywords. So what do I mean by that is, let's say you are advertising a two service. One is a Google ad service and one is a SEO service. So any keywords that is related to a Google ad, that should stay in a one ad group, and then any keywords that is related to SEO, that should be living in another ad group. So you cannot mix and match. Why we do that? Because it, by doing that, you increase the relevancy. Google is all about relevancy. Let's say if someone is searching for a Google ad and then you are showing him a SEO ad, that's not gonna serve the user, neither you, and you're gonna waste your money by showing a irrelevant ad to the user. So by grouping your keywords in a particular ad group by their theme, that's where the ad groups comes handy. So you can target your audience accordingly, so you don't waste your budget and every user coming through your ad can have the same benefit going to the right page or landing page, wherever you want to send him. The fourth most important term is a keyword. Keyword is a bunch of words that user type in a Google while they're searching for any product or any service. So let's say if someone is looking for a plumber services, they might type a plumber near me. So that is a one particular keyword for plumbing business. So every business should know that what sort of keywords or what sort of phrases people type to find out about their business. So that's where the keyword research comes in handy. So you should know that, or you need to identify the word and phrases that your target audience is searching for. So that way, once you know that what sort of keywords your target audience is typing in or searching for, then you can target those keywords inside your ad group, in your ad, on your landing page, and you can advertise on those particular keywords. So that's how the Google ad works. So you find out what sort of keywords your audience is typing or searching for, then you make an ad around it and then put in your ad copy, you target those keywords and then put those keywords on your website or on your landing copy or inside your ad copy. So that's where the keywords comes in. So all those keywords have a match type, like a broad match, phrase match, or a exact match, and then there is a negative match as well. So negative match keywords are like the keywords which you don't want to advertise or you don't want to show your ads on it. If you are providing your service in a Sydney but you are not providing your service in a Melbourne, so you don't want to target a Melbourne, or you don't want to target a keyword which is promoting a plumbing services in Melbourne. So in that case, what you can do is you can put a plumber services in Melbourne as an active keyword. So that's where the active keywords comes in handy. The fifth most important term is an ad rank. Ad rank is a value that determines where your ad are positioned in the search result. So in most of the time, Google show like 4 ads on the top and 4 ad on the bottom of the page. So it depends on your ad rank where your ad gonna show. So if your ad rank is higher, then there is a higher chances that your ad will show on the first position or on the top of the page. And then the sixth one is the quality score. Quality score is a metric that reflects the relevancy, quality of your ad and the landing page they link to. So improving your quality score can help increase your ad rank, which can result in a more click conversion at a lower cost. So higher your quality score, so the less money you pay for your clicks and conversion. Okay, seventh most important term is the ad extension. Ad extension provide a more real estate to your ad. So if you have enabled the ad extension inside your ad while you're setting up your Google ad, that can display more information, and then it can help on your quality score as well, because you are providing or you are showing a more information about your product or service. So let's say this is the example of a site link extension. If someone is going to click on any of these links, they're gonna land on a particular page. And this is a call extension. Call extension mean is without typing your phone number inside their mobile, or they can just click on that thing which call a call extension, and then those people can connect you straight away. And call ad extension is a add extra text to your ad to highlight your unique selling point. So let's say you are providing a free quote, you're providing a free delivery or next day delivery, so all those things is providing extra information on your ad. So that's totally dependent on the Google or depending on your ad rank, so what sort of site link gonna show. So it's very important, if you want to have a higher quality score, you add all the relevant extension which is related to your business, so that Google can give you a high score. The eighth one is a click-through rate, which we call is a CTR. So let's say if 100 people see if your ad has 100 impression and then 10 people click, that's mean you have a 10% of click-through rate. And cost per click is the average cost per click for your ad. Let's say if your ad shown for 100 times, and then 10 people click it and it costs you $100, so that's mean every single click is costing you a $10. So you need to know that what is the highest amount you can pay for the click. At the end of the day, you want to make money while you are advertising for that ad. So if it costing you too much or if it costing you too less, you need to know your number, how much I can pay for per click before it make a conversion. Okay, the last term you need to know is a landing page. Landing page is after seeing your ad and clicking your ad, where people gonna land. Are they going to land on your home page, or are they going to land on particular or the custom made landing page? That's depend on business to business. Okay, so but it has to have a clear call to action and the offer you are promoting it. There are few critical things you need to keep in mind while you're sending people to a landing page. Make sure your landing page load quickly and it's easy to navigate for the people. Also, it provide a value to your customer, because the thing is, if they are not going to find the particular thing which you are advertising for, they're gonna leave it. So that's gonna impact on your Google ad, because people are bouncing back and they are not getting, and then going back to the Google again and looking for the service again. So make sure your landing page is relevant. Also, what you can do is you can test out 2 different or 3 different landing page for that particular product or service and see which is converting more. Okay, so these are the 10 most important thing. So if you find out the value out of it, please like and share, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.